With a little creativity, you can craft a unique and eye-catching photo frame using simple materials. Start by cutting a square piece of cardboard and folding it in half. Carefully cut and punch holes in each corner. Next, cut a rectangular opening in the center to display your photos. Thread 2 small dowels through the holes and attach your photos to strips of paper before rolling them onto the dowels. Your paper photo frame is now ready to display your cherished memories. With a few simple cuts and folds, an old matchbox can be transformed into a charming camera. A white rectangular piece of cardboard and a few circular decorations complete the look. Photos are attached to a strip of white paper and decorated like a roll of film. Folded into a Z shape and placed inside the matchbox, the camera is ready to capture memories. With a touch of creativity and a few simple materials, you can craft a beautiful bouquet of paper flowers. First, draw a bouquet outline on a piece of paper. Then color and shade the outline to give it depth. Next, draw some lovely tulip flowers and cut them out. Finally, arrange and attach the flowers to the bouquet. Craft a heartfelt message with this charming handmade card. For a unique and personal touch, create a card using colorful threads and black cardstock. Begin by punching holes in the cardstock in the desired pattern. Then, thread the holes to create a heart and moon shape. Dot the small holes to connect the heart to the moon and draw a white arrow. Write your heartfelt message to complete the card. Draw charming hearts on your canvas. Layer them with playful abandon and let your imagination run wild. In a vibrant shade of red, sketch delicate dotted lines around the edges, adding a touch of whimsy. Write a heartfelt message on the outermost heart and let your words spread joy. Flip through the pages, revealing a delightful story of love and happiness. To create a special greeting card, start by punching a circular hole in the front. Then, adhere a photo of you and your loved one behind the opening. Conceal the photo with a yellow card and write your heartfelt message on it. When the recipient pulls down the yellow card, they will be delighted to reveal the cherished photo underneath. With a pop of pink, draw tiny hearts on white cardstock. Place your photo inside and fold into an envelope. For a unique and eye-catching Valentine's Day card, create a pop-up phone with text messages. Start with a black cardstock and glue in a picture of you and your loved one. Add 5 new message notifications. Prepare smaller white and blue cardstocks, fold them in. Use the cardstocks to create a slider mechanism. Write your messages inside and fold them in a zigzag pattern. Glue them behind the black cardstock. Slide the messages out to reveal your heartfelt notes. To craft a delightful 3D birthday card, begin by sketching rectangles, transforming them into a charming 3-tier cake. Write a heartfelt birthday message, and for a final touch, add adorable decorations.